Greetings, it is me again, Pause. Today I will show you how to create your first thread on inleo.io. Step 1. Log into inleo.io. If you don't have an account, check this video for a tutorial on account creation. Step 2. Click the editor box on the top of the page. Step 3. Start writing your thread and add relevant hashtags. If you want to add an image or GIF, click on the Insert Image or Insert GIF button. Upload your image with the Insert Image button. Or add a GIF by choosing from the GIF library. Click on the Thread button to publish your thread to the blockchain. Bravo! You have created your first thread. Go to your profile to see all your threads. Copy the link to your thread and leave a comment on this video. Paste the link to your thread. If you want to share links on inleo.io, make sure to share them in a reply to your own thread. Click on your thread and then create a reply by clicking in the editor box. Say something nice and paste your link. If you have questions, just write them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please punch your paw on that like button and subscribe to Web3 Social. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.